Happy Diwali to all of you. I hope you had a safe and a bright Diwali. Friends, we have come to Udaipur, which is a very majestic and an ancient city and is also known as the Lake City. I'm feeling so blissful as we got an opportunity to be the guest of the royal family of Udaipur. And this palace is known as the Shiv Nivas Palace and Resort, which is located just next to the picturesque Lake Pichola, which is very splendid and beautiful and calm. Friends, you might be wondering what's the connection between going for a tour and spoken English? Well, friends, through this video, we will learn about how to describe places or share our experiences regarding a leisure trip. So let me take you through the experiences by my co-traveler and a tourist guide.
Namaste, good morning. Myself Bhupendra and I am a tour guide of this City Palace. Right now we are in the City Palace complex where you can see a beautiful building in front of you. This whole building took 400 years to get complete, and this palace was started by Maharana Uday Singh. So since 1969 they are using this building as a museum. In this beautiful complex you will see hundreds of the paintings, beautiful glass mosaic and various rooms which has a beautiful history of this Mewar and further rulers. So this complex were used by 24 Maharanas.
Continue.
But still we got the king who lives beside the museum, and still we are working under the royal family. But since 1969 everything maintained by Maharana of Mewar Charitable Foundation, which is very well known as a MMCF. We are very thankful to our king who try to create more and more opportunities for the tourism, and they create different things to attract the tourists, not for India, for global. And end of this video I would like to thanks to this gentleman who like to introduce Mewar to all of you. Thank you.
Friends, this palace is situated on the top of the mountain. You can see the city and the palace where it is situated in a very safe palace, safe place where the enemy is access is very, very difficult. The gate you can see here has thorny and a huge structure. It is very, very difficult for the enemy to enter through this gate. As you can see, this palace is a beautiful blend of ethnicity and is majestic work. And behind this palace we have a Lake Pichola sprawling over 1600 meters square, and it's a beautiful water and clean water. And there is a palace, Taj Hotel Palace, on the middle of the lake, which creates a beautiful scenes and majestic scenes around. This palace, the lawn sprawling over, has a beautiful green flora and fauna living together. The nature makes this palace so beautiful that once you enter, you cannot wish to leave from here. The beautiful paintings. Friends, the painting you see on the wall is so vivid. It is more than 500 years of old, but the color, the texture, the shape is so intact till now. It's unimaginable.
Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about this famous place, Udaipur. Now, you could see the cover, and that's for the people. If they catch any cold by the air, will it be nice? No. So that's why they have one cover. by fog. Look at there, one boat is sailing and sailing. The boat is carrying so many people, and you could see the fresh lake. And this lake is very clean. You could see the waves and you could see the water. And do you know, friend, this lake is the famous lake. There are so much dirt that people fell. So we should clean all the dirt from the lake. So we learn about this, friends, that to clean the lake and see the beautiful view. Thank you.
Very